Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an income tax job. First, begin by researching the diverse roles available in income tax, understanding their unique requirements. Next, focus on acquiring essential certifications, such as becoming an enrolled agent or a certified public accountant. Finally, build practical experience through internships, volunteer opportunities, or entry-level positions to strengthen your resume. To excel in an income tax role, strong analytical skills are paramount for accurately interpreting complex tax laws and regulations. You'll also need proficiency with various tax software programs, such as TurboTax or H&R Block, to efficiently prepare returns. Most positions require at least a bachelor's degree in accounting or finance, providing a solid foundation for your career. When applying, meticulously tailor your resume and cover letter for each specific job opening, emphasizing relevant skills and experiences. Be sure to highlight any practical experience you have with common forms, like Form 1040, or preparing business tax returns. Finally, prepare thoroughly for technical interviews, which will often focus on your knowledge of current tax regulations and principles. For interviews, practice common questions and behavioral scenarios to showcase your problem-solving abilities and professionalism. Once hired, actively seek opportunities for continuous professional development, like advanced certifications or specialized training to further your career. And hey, while you're optimizing your career, why not optimize your home? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.